Brittany Nash, your bench warrant will issue. Bond set in the amount of $5,000, 10%.
Our hero is bottom left in the blanket.
That warrant will issue immediately. The first case, People versus Jonathan Smith. They are not checked in either. Jonathan Smith?
Yeah. Oh, I'm here.
Oh, you're here. Well, you got to put your name up there. Otherwise, we don't know it's you. You think everybody just recognizes you?
Yeah, look at me.
Okay, that is charming. There's no two ways about it. He's sort of being playful with the judge, but in a likable way.
All right, Mr. Smith. You are before the court because you owe fines and costs. When are you going to pay it?
I had a question.
Okay.
I know this is like unordinary.
You got a question to answer my question.
Yeah, because I literally don't have, I ain't going to say I don't have the money.
Judge is, I mean, he just can't hold back a smile this whole time. He must know this guy, even though he didn't recognize him immediately. And he just must have a sense of what's coming.
But it's a situation that just happened, and I got full custody of my son, and I got him with nothing. So I have to buy everything for him, and I kind of started that already. So that's what made me miss my payment a couple weeks ago. So I was kind of wondering, is there any way that I could do weekends, or is all that time passed and I just have to pay? Because I have time, but I have
weekends in jail?
Yeah.
Mr. Smith, you don't want me to throw you in jail?
I truly don't, but I don't have the, like, I'm being completely, I don't have the money. I mean, if it comes between giving y'all money and taking care of my son, I'll always put him first. So it's like,
but how are you gonna take care of your son if you're spending the weekends in jail?
Because I just tell my job that I can't work weekends and send him with my mom on the weekends, and it'll be that.
Mr. Smith,
I want to do.
I've got a better idea. Why don't you tell your job you can work weekends? If you have your mom available to watch your son, then you can do that and then pay the fines instead of seeing your son see you be put in jail.
Yeah, but
Mr. Smith.
Yes.
Think this through. How old? No, you didn't. How did your son? No, you didn't. How old's your son?
11.
What I just said is what's going through the judge's mind right now, and he can't help himself. And it's actually very appropriate, even within his official capacity. But he's gone from judge to father right now, and it's very charming.
Mr. Smith, let me tell you something.
I'm listening.
Your son needs you.
And that's why I want to do weekends, so you don't lock me up longer than the weekend, because I don't have the money. I got bills, me.
I know. And Mr. Smith, you can think of a better way to try to resolve this. Now, I might say no, but you can think of a better, hold on. You can think of a better way than doing this than telling a judge to put you in jail where you'll be away from your son. Don't say anything right now, because it doesn't make any sense to me. I don't have a problem, because on my word, somebody can get locked up. But I don't know why you want to even have that as an option. We can find a way to get this done. It's not like you're going to be in this situation forever, right?
Yeah.
That's the core of it right there, and that's where he's fathering him. And the guy doesn't get it. He needs exactly this. He needs someone to say, "Hey, there are better alternatives to resolve this thing." Namely, one of them is to work or try to find additional sources of income. They'll work with you. You just got to pay something. Meanwhile, Jonathan Smith is likable, and he doesn't want to, but he's offering himself for jail because he wants to get it past him. So while I don't think that's a good option, the judge doesn't think it's a good option, it does show sincerity in his desire to resolve it.
Tell you what I'm going to do. Ms. Kleeman.
Good morning.
Good morning. Mr. Smith wants me to send him to jail.
I'm for representing Mr. Smith. I would ask you to close it out and refer to collections, if that would be.
That is cute. Melissa Kleeman is a good attorney. She's competent. She knows exactly what to do. And she said she knows the gig. She knows what the judge wants to hear, which is what would you say to him if you're representing him? So she just goes right in. Yeah, you know what? I'd ask them to refer it to collections. Referring it to collections means they'll set up a payment plan with him. He doesn't need to go to jail over this. I don't know the amounts, but she knows exactly what she's got called on here for, and she fills her role.
A possibility for him
Really?
to see him go to jail.
Really? You would want me to do that, Ms. Kleeman?
Yes, please.
If you were representing Mr. Smith? And Mr. Smith didn't even give me an option. He wanted me to throw him in jail on weekends, where he would be away from his son, which
I like that. If you're representing him, which for this purpose and for the important part of this hearing today, she quasi did represent him.
he just got custody of, and then he's just going to be away and then pawn the son off on his mom. Why? I don't.
Don't say it like that.
Well, that's exactly what you were doing. I'm just telling the truth. Mr. Smith. Usually if somebody asks me to send them to jail, I'll send them. I'm not sending you to jail. I don't know what you up to, but somehow or another you want to be there. I don't know how.
I definitely
No, don't. Then if you don't want to be there, don't ask a judge to send you.
It's
Just no.
easy.
You always, Mr. Smith, you always have options. You always have options. And I'm just going to tell you this. Never ask anybody to lock you up. Ever. And I'm being dead serious about that. Because people will lock you up anyway. Don't ask them to do it.
I just feel like if I don't pay, like that.
Then fine. If you don't pay, then yeah, it might get to some point where you might get locked up. Okay, fine.
So to avoid all that, that's why I said
Mr. Smith.
Yes, sir.
Do not ever do that. Too many people fought for your freedom for you just to give it up like that. Case is referred to collections for a payment plan. We're done. Thank you, Mr. Smith. You have a great day and enjoy your little boy.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
Court calls the case of the People versus